I'm on board the best-selling boat brand in Norway. Yes, welcome to Nordkapp and their latest version, the Enduro 830. What's different about the latest generation of vessels is they all now have Simrad as their multifunctional displays. They have Master Vault and, of course, keeping the tradition, Mercury on the transom.
We are really excited about the partnership with Simrad and Nordkapp. The connectivity, because of Brunswick Group owns both Simrad and Mercury, the both products works in harmony.
This is a brand that has always been about adventure and commuting around the Nordics and Scandinavia. However, the latest versions are a bit of a departure from that, and more now in a Mediterranean spec. On the transom, we have two V8 Verados. These are lightweight, have plenty of torque, and great performance when paired to the Nordkapp hull.